Hey guys, it's Mr. Smith again. This is the presentation before the honors activity, just to kind of go over a couple of things that we haven't really done in class and make sure you're aware of. So, you all should be aware of how to find the area of a rectangle, where you take length times width. This can also be written as base, so the length could be written as the base and width is the height. So we can use those terms interchangeably. When we're looking at triangles, here I've drawn a rectangle and then divided it in half and created two triangles. So the area of this triangle is going to be half of the area of the entire rectangle. Now we can use these formulas to find the area of a triangle. We have 1/2 times base times height, or base times height divided by 2. So in this first example, the base is 6 and the height is 4. So 1/2 times 6 times 4, so 6 times 4 is 24, 1/2 times 24 is 12. Here we have 6 times 4 divided by 2, so 24 divided by 2 is 12. They're both 12 units squared. Now, with the triangle, and you'll see in the next couple of slides, the base and the height form a 90-degree angle. That's going to be key for finding area of a triangle. So in the previous example, the height was one of the sides of the triangle, but this is not always true. It is only the height is only the side of a triangle if the triangle is a right triangle. If the triangle is not a right triangle, you need to draw the height from the vertex opposite the base. So here's our base. The vertex is this angle that's across from the base, and form a 90-degree angle. And then you're going to follow the same formula. So you're going to take the base and the height. So the base in this instance is 7. The height is 3. And you're going to multiply those together and either multiply it by 1/2 or divide by 2. So 1/2 times the quantity 7 times 3 equals 10.5, because 7 times 3 is 21. 1/2 times 21 is 10.5 units squared. And then you can also do 7 times 3 is 21 divided by 2 equals 10.5 units squared. This is where a lot of people tend to have problems with the triangles, when we're looking at the height outside of the triangle. So in the previous example, the height was in the inside, so we could draw a line from the angle that was opposite to the base and form a 90-degree angle. In this obtuse triangle, we can't do that. So what we're going to have to do is extend the base. So you'll see these dotted lines coming out here, and then the dotted lines drawing the height down to form that 90-degree angle. Now, when we're finding our answer, our area for this, the base, we're only going to count the original base. We're not going to worry about what was extended. That does not count in the area. So our original base was 7, and then our height was 3. You do not include these other two, so it's not 9. The base is not 9. The base is 7. Again, the same way we did the previous problem, 1/2 times the quantity of 7 times 3 equals 10.5 units squared, and then 7 times 3 divided by 2 equals 10.5 units squared. So the area of this triangle and the area of this triangle are the same because the base and the height are the same. If you have any questions concerning how to figure out the height and how to use this formula for the area, feel free to contact me through Schoology. We can get on Zoom. I can walk you through it. Just be careful and when you're extending the base, that you don't count the base. Also, realize that the side of one of the triangles does not always make it the height. The side only counts as the height if it is a right triangle. Alright? Again, any questions, feel free to contact me. Good luck, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.